Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. It is August 11th. Today we are going to take a look at Omega Healthcare Investors. Not as much green in my portfolio today, but still quite a bit. Omega Healthcare Investors was one that was down. It is a REIT in the real estate sector. So let's take a look. First, we will take a look at their homepage, and if you want to check them out for yourself, www.omegahealthcare.com is their homepage. Investing in senior care since 1992, Omega Healthcare Investors is a triple net equity REIT, ticker OHI, that supports the goals of skilled nursing facilities and assisted living facilities operators with financing and capital. We're partners with 63 of the most future-focused, growth-oriented operators in the U.S. and UK, accelerating their growth strategies with a $1.45 billion unsecured credit facility and proven access to the largest public equity and debt markets in the world. So they are an international company in both the US and the UK, and they deal in a sector that really isn't going anywhere with an aging population. Senior living healthcare is going to be a sector of the market that continues to grow, again, as people age and as more healthcare for seniors is needed. So as you can see here, Omega Healthcare Investors, ticker OHI, closed out the day at $33.10, down 0.39%. And this is brought to you by Yahoo Finance, not affiliated with the company, just where I like to look for information. One of the sites I like to look at. They have a 52-week range, a low of $24.81 and a high of $35.26. It is kind of closer to that, leaning more towards the high end of that 52-week range. It has a market cap of $7.961 billion, a beta of 0.97, so it's pretty much as volatile as the overall market. You can clearly see that volatility over the day and definitely on a downtrend today. A PE ratio of 17.67, but PE ratios are not great indicator for REITs. You want to get into their financials and look at some other metrics when you're looking at REITs. They do have a very nice forward dividend of $2.68 paid out quarterly, and their yield is very nice at 8.08%. That is pretty much in line with even the high inflation that we currently have, and it smashes normal inflation at 2 to 3%. Last ex-dividend date was July 29th, so if you bought now, you wouldn't get the next dividend. And it has a one-year target estimate of $32.21. So that actually speaks to some downside potential stock price appreciation. Now, according to stockanalysis.com, another place I like to pull information from, again, not affiliated, and the 20 stock analysts that they have had take a look at this, they call it a buy, but it is right on the edge of a buy and hold. In my opinion, it is more in line with a hold than a buy. But that's, again, just my opinion, and you'll see part of the reason for that later. In the next slide, I'll show you my holdings and my cost basis as well. So they have an estimated low of $27.27. That would be a 17.64% decline, and that would be nice. If it did happen to decline, I may look to add some more there, but I'd like it even a little cheaper than that. They have an average price at $30.80. That would be a negative 6.98% decline. If it happened to hit their high of $34.65, not much upside here, but that would be a 4.65% upside in stock price appreciation. Again, this one may be one that you want to, again, I'm kind of questioning this buy. I would hold and maybe look for more of a pullback on this one back towards these high 20s, under 30 would be where I would be. And as I said, I wanted to show you my position, Omega Healthcare Investors, ticker OHI. I currently have 152.393 shares. My average cost basis is $28.34. So again, I would be interested in this under that cost basis. So definitely looking for more of a pullback. This must be close of business or after hours, I mean, at $33.10. So as you can see, it's even pulling back further. Does have a dividend coming up, ex-dividend date 7/29 and payout on 8/15, and the payout is 67 cents per share. So very nice dividend yield on this one. Just is a little overpriced in my opinion. Again, just my opinion, never a suggestion to buy, hold, own a stock, just where I'm at with it. I'm in it at $28.34. I would be interested in around $28 or below. That's where I would be on this one, and that is Omega Healthcare Investors. These are quick hitters, guys. So that wraps it up for this one. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Omega Healthcare Investors. Is it in your portfolio? Is there other REITs that you like out there beyond that may be in the healthcare sector? Let me know. I'm always looking for additional stocks to research, positions to potentially add in the future. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, suggestions for future topics, opinions, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down in the comment section below. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. I'm not a certified financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk, can lose money, and should never invest in any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research, invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor. Okay, appreciate you stopping by. Thanks, guys.